Maximize your vehicle's performance and save money with the Costco Nitrogen Tire Inflation Machine. Here's precisely how to use it. You've likely spotted this specialized machine at your local Costco tire center, and it's a game changer for your car's tires. Let's break down how this advanced technology works and why it's worth your attention first. Identify the nitrogen inflation machine. It's usually clearly marked and distinct from standard air compressors. Before you begin, ensure your tires are safely cool. This will give you the most accurate pressure reading. You'll also want to have your desired tire pressure in mind, typically found on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Next, locate your tire's valve stem and remove the valve cap. Take the specialized nitrogen hose from the machine and firmly attach it to the valve stem, ensuring a tight seal to prevent any leaks. Now, observe the machine's control panel. You'll see options to select your desired tire pressure. Use the up or down buttons to input the exact size you need for each tire. Once your target pressure is set, the machine will automatically begin inflating the tire with pure nitrogen, while also deflating any existing air. It's a sophisticated process designed to replace regular air with a more stable gas. You'll see the tire pressure on the display gradually increase. The machine will automatically stop when the set pressure is reached, indicated by an audible beep or a change in the display. Once the inflation is complete, carefully disconnect the hose from the valve stem and immediately replace the valve cap. This little cap is crucial for keeping debris out and maintaining pressure. So why go through this process? Nitrogen offers significant benefits. It's more stable than air, meaning your tire pressure remains more consistent in varying temperatures, leading to improved fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. It also helps slow down the oxidation of your tire's rubber, extending their lifespan and preventing premature wear. This simple step at Costco can truly enhance your car's overall upkeep and your driving experience.